In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you have an invoice that keeps generating automatically and you no longer want it to continue, QuickBooks makes it pretty simple to stop it. Depending on what you need, you can either pause the recurring invoice so you can use it again later, or delete it completely if you no longer need that template at all. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. To begin, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, click the gear icon. This opens your Settings and Tools menu, where QuickBooks keeps a lot of important account options. Under the Lists column, select Recurring Transactions. This will take you to the area where all of your recurring templates are stored, including recurring invoices, sales receipts, and other automated transaction types. Once you're on the Recurring Transactions page, find the invoice template you want to stop. If you have several templates listed, take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct one. This is especially helpful if you have similar customer names or invoice amounts, since choosing the right template prevents accidental changes to the wrong recurring transaction. When you've found the correct invoice template, you have two choices. If you want to stop the invoice from sending automatically, but keep the template available for future use, click Edit. Inside the template settings, change the type to Unscheduled. This essentially pauses the recurring behavior and keeps the template saved in your account so you can manually use or reactivate it later if needed. After making that change, click Save Template to apply it. If instead you want to remove the recurring invoice completely, go back to that same template and click the drop-down arrow next to Edit. From there, select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the deletion, and once you do, the template will be permanently removed. This is the better option if you're sure you won't need that recurring setup again. After you save the template as unscheduled or confirm the deletion, you're done. The recurring invoice will no longer continue automatically based on its previous schedule. That's all there is to it. By using either the unscheduled option or deleting the template entirely, you can quickly stop recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online and keep your billing process organized and under control.